What free video editor do YouTubers use? With the development of technology for internet speed and the interest of people, video marketing is exploring the way. And if you want to create your own videos and share them with a lot of people, I think you're in the right place when looking for the best video editing software for beginners on YouTube. 1. Shotcut. The Shot was not great. This is open source software that looks exactly like you would expect from free open source software. But looks aren't all, are they? This platform works very well and offers the features you need. If you can do it outside the ugly exterior and less intuitive user interface, Shotcut can be used for cropping and exporting. It has limited transition options, but if you need to customize your creations to upload to YouTube, Shotcut will cover you. 2. iMovie. If you're using a Mac or iPhone, you probably know iMovie. We think this is one of the best options for YouTube influencers who need easy-to-use Mac software. iMovie provides the basic video editing features you expect, such as trimming, cropping, and sorting clips. You can also use it to add visual effects or captions to your videos, as well as edit audio files so that iMovie covers your basics. And if you find your video that you like, you can quickly and easily share it on YouTube, Facebook and Vimeo. Mixer. Blender is not only video editing software, but can also be used for animation, rendering, modeling, VFX or even game creation. Video editing tools are relatively limited, you can trim videos and add transitions as filters. Blender uses the timeline, so you can add your video, audio and image files to your projects and they are easy to organize. In addition, Blender provides a live preview, histogram and chroma vectorscopic view. To increase the creative freedom of the game, Blender offers speed control and layer adjustment, as well as sound mixing and curve visualization. 4. Lights. Despite its outdated website, Lightworks offers a user-friendly interface and a good collection of features. It offers a selection of transitions, visual effects and cropping options to help YouTubers create great videos. Lightworks supports all popular video file formats and is optimized to help you save time exporting files so you can get them to your YouTube channel faster. There's even a multicam editing feature that makes it easy to edit pictures taken by 2 or more cameras. 5. Wondershare Filmora. Wondershare Filmora makes it easy for YouTube creators to create and edit videos like anything a video editor can do, even if they don't have all the editing skills. Video editing. This free YouTube video editing software has an intuitive user interface that makes it a great choice for beginners, while providing all the video editing tools you need to create beautiful YouTube videos that your subscribers will love. Filmora allows you to add videos, images and audio files to your project and includes all the basic video editing tools such as video editing and trimming, as well as advanced features such as video stabilization, audio, etc. Filmora also includes an effects library, so you can add interest to your videos by color grading and overlay text and images. It also has a large free sound library with music and sound effects that you can use in your videos. Boost your creativity with chroma key, green screen, and split screen video features.